Today we're going to bring an elegant outdoor light. So if you're going to set up this in your garage entrance or in your main entrance, this is a perfect thing to do. So let's go ahead and take a look at it and see what you get. They give you the instructions, all right? They give you the actual screws so you can mount this up. And let's take a look in the back, all right? They give you the brown, the green and yellow, and then the blue. Brown is going to be hot. Blue is going to be neutral, and this is going to be ground, all right? Yellow and green is ground, all right? Just to let you guys know, because in the US, it's a little different from other countries, but this is how it is now today. Or you might see devices that have the same color, all right? So in the back of it, it's very simple. You need 3 screws, 1, 2, and then the last one 3, and then you lock it in, all right? My suggestion is maybe make sure that this is the highest point, so you can make sure you run the same cable through your last point that you have, so it could connect to your power. Very simple. We're going to put it to use right in our entrance and see how it works. Let's go ahead and do that. All right, from point to point, it's over a little bit over 17 and a half, a little tiny bit over 17 and a half. So if you're going to drill the holes, make sure you center them here first, because they're going to have to be up or down, all right? So you're going to have to either tilt it up or down, and then the weight's going to be hanging from the top. So make sure you set this one up first, and you should be ready. Make a mistake, you still have room to move it up or down, all right? A couple centimeters, all right? Not that much space. So just to be aware, if you mess up on one of the screws, you could always move them all. You could shift them, all right? So just to be aware. All right, let's take a look at the actual light itself. We're gonna get closer. You guys can see beautiful, elegant light. So the LED light is like on the corner itself, but you see it from a distance, it's really bright. For an entrance, this is perfect.